Talking about my journey from day one. Um, since I had already informed, I was a phonics teacher. I am a phonics teacher. But when I joined the course, it was like, it's very different. Talking about voice and accent and learning sounds in phonics was quite different. So I was a bit nervous, but and yes, definitely throughout my journey, I also faced some difficulties in my natural speaking habits. But yes, on day one, when I started learning, I definitely thought that no, I have to, overcome this nervousness and learn new things now. Okay, learning as a trainer for voice and learning as a trainer for phonics was different. The activities that I enjoyed the most were definitely Takeshi's Castle. It took me to my childhood days when we used to watch such games. We used to play the maze and everything, and it was fun. Along with it, I also enjoyed the activities like Two Brothers, Four Brothers, where the confusion between similar sounds was, cleared very easily and very nicely. The activity like I am hungry, we got to know it was so much fun. We usually play these games, but this way with the transcripts, it was really fun. Also, activities with the practical voice exercises like the R universe, bite your V's and kiss your W's. They were really very helpful, and I will definitely use these in my class, be it with little kids or be it with the adults. Definitely, I'm very sure they'll be enjoying it. The PDFs. The PDF that I have, gone through, I'm really very sorry. I did not go through all the PDFs. I did not get that much time, but yes, whatever I went through were really very practical and learner friendly. It was very simple in, very simply illustrated. The concepts were very nicely explained, and yes, they were very helpful. The sound explanations with those illustrations, the way even Krish, the way you taught us with the tongues, your placement of your tongue when you say some words was really very helpful for us. Talking about my future plans, updating my voice skills, I really plan to combine my skills in both the IELTS and voice and accent and help the learners, to improve their pronunciation. Definitely, along with them, I will improve my pronunciation as well. Coming to just I would definitely, keep on practicing this because I have myself, corrected myself so many times while practicing, while speaking to people nowadays, because I am very conscious about my accent. Because I very well know if my accent is not correct, definitely I'm not a good trainer. So, talking about this, I'll be practicing it every day. I'll strengthen my communication skills and become very confident as a trainer. Yes, along with this, I am also looking forward to, um, attend more workshops and, learn more activities and upgrade my skills whenever possible for me. So thank you so much, Krish, and the entire batch. All of you were really very helpful, and I've learned a lot from all of you. Thank you so much for this opportunity.